students of class 9th. I am Prabha. In my previous video, part 3 and part 4 of People as Resource, I had explained you about quality of population and its two component, education and health. In this video, part 5 of People as Resource, I will explain you about the topic unemployment. In this topic, I will explain you about definition of unemployment, types of unemployment, differences between disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment, causes of unemployment in India and consequences of unemployment in India. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is definition of unemployment. How can we define unemployment? When the people of age group above 15 years and below 60 years who are willing to work at the going wages but cannot find jobs, this situation is called unemployment. Children below 15 years of age and the old people above 60 years are not considered while counting the number of unemployed population. The next topic is types of unemployment. There are mainly 4 types of unemployment generally seen in India: seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, underemployment and educated unemployment. Now I am going to explain one by one all the types of unemployment. The first is seasonal unemployment. When people are unemployed during some month of the year, this situation is called seasonal unemployment. For example, farm laborer becomes unemployed after agriculture season. The next is disguised or hidden unemployment, a kind of unemployment where some people seem to be employed but are actually not employed. This situation is called disguised or hidden unemployment. This type of unemployment usually occurs when there is overemployment in a particular work. For example, agriculture work done by all the members of a family on a small area of land. The next is underemployment, the condition in which people or a labor force are employed at less than full time or regular job or at jobs inadequate with respect to their training or economic needs. This situation is called underemployment. For example, only part-time jobs available to people. The next type of unemployment is educated unemployment. A mismatch between the aspiration of educated people and employment opportunities are available to them. This situation is called educated unemployment. For example, requirement of civil engineer when availability of a large number of mechanical engineers. The next topic is differences between disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. Students, what are the difference between disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment? The first is disguised unemployment is a type of unemployment in which people seem to be employed but actually they are not employed, whereas seasonal unemployment is a type of unemployment under which people are employed only for a particular season. The next difference is disguised unemployment is mostly found in agriculture, whereas seasonal unemployment is mostly found in agro-based industries. The next difference is disguised unemployment is mainly found in rural areas, whereas seasonal unemployment is found in both rural as well as urban area. Students, all three are the differences between disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. The next topic is causes of unemployment in India. Students, there are so many causes of unemployment in India. Here few are given. The first cause is increased population growth. How increased population growth are cause of unemployment in India? India has approx 1.35 crores population. It is the second most populous country in the world. As the country's economic growth cannot keep up with population growth, this leads to a large share of the society being unemployed. The next cause is slow economic growth. Economic growth of India is slow. As the population increases, the economy cannot keep up with demands for employment, and an increasing number of people are unable to find work and increased unemployment. The next is seasonality of agricultural occupation. Agriculture offers unemployment for a large segment of the population, but only for several months out of a year. So, the people who are engaged in agriculture work are suffering from seasonal unemployment. The next cause is loss of small scale or cottage industry. Due to growth of industrial development, small scale or cottage industries are suffering from loss and gradually shut down. The people have specific skills and expertise in handicraft product, just like artisans have become unemployed as a result. The next is shortage of means of production. Shortage of raw material and other facilities like fuel and electricity decrease the production of goods. Due to less production, availability of jobs are also decreased and people become jobless. The next topic is consequences of unemployment in India. What are the consequences of unemployment in India? The first is leads wastage of manpower. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources as investment in human capital is completely wasted. The next is tends to increase economic overload. Unemployment tends to increase the economic overload, that is dependency of the unemployed population on the working population. The next is leads to increase in social unrest and tension. Unemployment may lead to increase in social unrest and tension as when educated population not get employment. All are the consequences of unemployment in India. The remaining parts of unemployment topic will continue in part 6 of people as resource. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, students.